Hi everybody, thanks for dropping by. My name is Brian. In this video I'm going to print out the Chewbacca model that was designed by Wekster on Thingiverse. I'll go ahead and leave the link in the description below, so if you want to print that out for yourself, you should give it a try. I'm going to go ahead and print this out on my Witbox 1. It's the first 3D printer I ever bought several years ago. And the model is printed out in 0.2 resolution. In retrospect, I should have printed it out in 0.1 or 0.1.5, but that's okay. I could try again later. I'm going to print it out with supports in the groin and at the paws or hands, because those are overhangs, and the particular extruder on this printer, it didn't really come with a great cooling shroud. So I definitely had to use supports. I sliced this out of Cura. So here I'm going to go ahead and clean up the model. I'm going to remove retraction boogers or any wayward lines of filament like spaghetti on the overhangs. I'm generally going to make sure it's smooth and it's ready for painting. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and add clear coat to the nose, the eyes, and the bandolier. I went back later with my black acrylic matte paint and painted those same areas and had no problem having the paint stay neat and clean on the perimeters. I'm thinking to myself, well, you know, Wekster has it as a solid brown all over Chewbacca, and when I think of Chewbacca, I see him as a creature that has locks. You know, there's light catching on the high areas of his wavy fur, and there's dark areas where it's recessed. So I tried to mimic that while I was painting it. I painted the recessed areas dark, and I left the high areas either in a wash or untouched by paint. And I like how it turned out. Here's the completed model. You can see at all angles how I applied color. I did add a little paint to the face, and with the dark areas, the black areas, I added another layer of clear coat, at least on the eyes, if I remember correctly, because the eyes, you know, this is a living creature. The eyes are supposed to be moist. So I added another clear coat there, and the nose. The nose on, I'm assuming on these creatures tend to be moist, so that's why the nose actually shines. Hey, if you like this video, do me a solid and like and subscribe. I'd be happy to make more of these and share them with you. Thanks.